Let's talk about this flexible subscription-free security setup that you can essentially set and forget. This is REOLINK's 5MP solar security camera kit. It comes with a Home Mini and two Argus PT cameras. The great thing about the Argus PT cameras is that their solar power has wireless connection with pan-tilt control and advanced AI detection. It also has a centralized storage system that doesn't have any monthly subscription fees. Let's unbox this together so I can show you what's included with the kit. Each Argus PT is a compact dome-style camera. They have a modern look and are discreet, so it doesn't make your home look like a fortress, but still clearly signals that you have security in place. The cameras are rated IP65 weather resistant, which is designed to handle rain, dust, and general outdoor exposure. The solar part of the camera isn't just a marketing checkbox. It's a real convenience upgrade. Each camera is powered by a rechargeable battery that is continuously topped off by a detachable solar panel. With regular sun exposure, you don't have to worry about taking the cameras down to recharge them. That's especially important for higher mounting spots where climbing a ladder every few weeks would be a nuisance. Once you find a good spot with several hours of direct sunlight, the cameras can run essentially continuously, and you still have a safety net of the internal batteries on those cloudy days. Installation is very DIY friendly. You screw in the mounting bracket, attach the camera, then position the solar panel so you get good sunlight. The short cable between the panel and the camera is easy to route and tuck away. Once the hardware is set up, use the REOLINK app to walk through the setup. Just connect to your wireless network and scan the QR codes on the camera. Within a few minutes, you will see live video in the app. And if you already have existing REOLINK cameras, they will all show up on the mobile app. This is great because you can control and see all your cameras at one location. Also included is a bunch of REOLINK window stickers. It's just a friendly reminder to let people know that this property is being recorded. You also get some mounting templates for the ceiling and wall installation. The instruction manual was well written and was easy to understand. There's a lot of illustrations that show you the parts and how to set up the camera. Take some time to read it before starting a project. You also get a bunch of screws and hardware to install the camera. And depending on which installation process you select, there will be leftover parts. One of the biggest advantages of this kit is its approach to storage. Instead of forcing you into cloud subscription, this Home Hub Mini centralizes video storage from all connected cameras and is expandable to up to 1 terabyte using a micro SD card. That means you can keep a significant history of recordings locally. And the best part is that it's very easy to set up the hub. And because the storage lives in your own hub, you retain control of your footage and avoid recurring monthly costs. The hub also has a built-in file encryption, so you don't have to worry about people hacking in and looking at your videos. And for flexibility, the camera and the hub supports dual-band Wi-Fi. The 2.4 GHz is better for longer range and penetrating through walls, while the 5 GHz can offer more bandwidth and potentially smoother live view if the cameras are closer to your router. One of the main reasons why I use REOLINK cameras is because of their software. I find that they're very easy to use and very intuitive. The camera also has the latest AI features. It can tell whether there's a person, animal, or vehicle in the video. The AI event summaries let you quickly review motion events from your Argus PT cameras without you having to manually shift through the hours of footage. Instead of fast-forwarding the video, you get a structured list of timelines of events. It's sorted by person or vehicle or animals, which allows you to jump directly to the relevant clips. And the playback controls are pretty straightforward too. You can easily switch between live view and recordings. The camera also has a two-way audio to let you speak through the camera. You can use it to tell a delivery person where to drop off your package or to yell at someone if they're on your property. The best thing that I like about this camera is the pan-tilt controls. I find that they're very responsive and you can move the camera in real time to get a better angle during a live session. You can also share the live view and recordings with trusted people. The system allows one admin and up to 10 sub accounts, and you can decide who can see live view, who can control the pan-tilt zoom, and who can talk. So where these cameras really separate themselves from basic outdoor cameras is their pan-tilt and tracking abilities. Each Argus PT camera can rotate horizontally and vertically to cover almost an entire area. That means one camera can watch multiple zones instead of forcing you to buy several fixed angle units. And through the app, you can remotely move the cameras any direction you want, which is great for manually checking different corners on your property. Even better, the camera also offers 360 degrees auto tracking and smart detection. The AI on the board can automatically detect people, vehicles, and animals, and you'll get less false alarms from leaves or shadows. Once the camera detects these targets, That means you end up with clips where the camera tracks someone walking up your driveway, a car pulling in, or even a pet running around, rather than just a person or vehicle quickly leaving the scene. The camera in the hub also has real-time push alerts that will send an alert to your phone whenever it detects something on your property. And because the system can distinguish between people, vehicles, and animals, so you can customize your alerts so that you're not constantly buzzed by minor motion. So let's talk about the video quality and night performance. The camera records in 5 megapixel 2K HD resolution, which is a major upgrade over the older 1080p wireless cameras. With 2K, the footage is clear enough to see faces, clothing detail, or license plate. And at night, you're not stuck with blurry black and white videos. These cameras include a built-in spotlight, which enables color night visions. When motion is detected, the spotlight will turn on, which allows you to see colors such as the car, backpack, or jacket. If you're not a big fan of spotlights, you still also have the option of having the infrared night vision. In addition to the hub, there's also a SD card slot that you can save video directly onto the camera. This is great if you want an on-device redundancy. This is great if someone's using a Wi-Fi jammer and the camera cannot communicate with the hub. With this kit, they do provide a 64 gigabit micro SD card. The card slot is located on top of the camera and is hidden behind this weatherproof cover. And the best part is that you can access all the video through the REOLINK app. Before ending this video, let me show you how to connect the hub. All you have to do is connect the network jack from the hub onto your router. Then just plug in the AC adapter. Then just scan in the QR codes for your cameras and hubs and they will pair together. To wrap up, the REOLINK Argus PT camera gives you crisp 2K video, 360-degree auto tracking, and smart detection for people, vehicles, and animals. You also get color night vision with a built-in spotlight. With solar power, up to 1 terabyte of local encrypted storage, and no monthly fees, this kit is a low-maintenance system that you can rely on.